back. For today's video, we will be unboxing December Try Beauty box. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. It's actually felt like a long time since the last Try Beauty box, 2 months ago. You know, it just felt longer this time. Anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and unbox it. The theme for this month in Try Beauty is Dreamland, and we got 5 items in here. For this month's box, we actually had the customization available, and it was between 2 palettes, between Poppi Cosmetics Neon Drip or the Suva Beauty Saffron palette. As always, I made my poll on Instagram, and as always, I forgot to post the results, but here are the results. The Neon Drip won on my Instagram. I also voted for the Neon Drip because I already have the Saffron palette. If you guys remember back in October from 2019, in the Try Beauty box, I got the Saffron palette, and I love that palette. It's right here. I did use this palette for a Halloween tutorial when I got that Try Beauty box in 2019. If you guys want to see the swatches on this palette, I'll link the video up here, and I will also leave it down in the description box below. Back to this one. This is the Poppi Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Palette Neon Drip. I didn't know the brand Poppi Cosmetics until now, so let's open it up. It comes very well protected. It comes in a nice box as well. The box and the packaging on the palette is the same. It's so pretty. I love the color on the packaging. When you open it up, you have a mirror that takes up the whole space of the cover, which is really nice. I like that. So in total, you have 12 eyeshadows in this palette, in which you have 7 colorful mattes and 5 shimmery ones. I didn't know what to do for Christmas. I used this color right here, which is called Freaky. It definitely looks more purple than it does when I applied it. It looks a lot more pink, and so did the wet color. I put wet in the center, but it kind of looks pink. It definitely does reflect purple, which is what I wanted, but I thought it'd be more purple. But anyways, I just went along with it. Also, Flex, when I swatch Flex on my finger, it actually looks green on my finger. When I applied it on my inner corner, it looked yellow. So off of camera, I actually added a bit of slimy, and then I topped it off again with Flex, just to add a little bit more of that green color that I wanted on the very inner corner. Other than that, the shades are really beautiful. This beautiful palette retails for $29. The Saffron palette retails for $35. The next item in the box is by a brand that I'm always excited to get. It's the Balm Cosmetics. The Balm always has the cutest packagings ever. This is called the Down Boy Shadow Blush. You could also use it as a shadow, which I didn't because there was enough pinks in the palette. Look how cute this packaging is. It has a small square mirror inside. If you're gonna do touch-ups, it's cute. The blush, look at the blush. The blush is huge. They actually used the whole space for the blush. I thought that you wouldn't be able to see this blush on my skin tone, but you definitely can. I actually applied a lot in the tutorial, you guys will see, but just blend it out. It blends out really nicely. I love it. It also has light reflecting particles for an aura elegance without detectable shimmer, formulated with a finely graded powder. I could use this as a transition shade, or you just want like a little bit of a pink tone on your eyes. This is like the perfect shade. This little guy retails for $21. Next, we have a product by the brand Avant. If it's in French, it's Avant. This is my first time getting a product from them. This is the Hyaluronic Vitamin C Lecithin Maris Aqua Jojoba Oil. This is an Age Nutri Revive. This Age Radiance Cream aims to illuminate your skin. It's such a really good moisturizer. It says it's an antioxidizing duo moisturizer. Like, I don't even want to squeeze a lot of it because this little guy is super expensive on its own. This is 50 milliliters, and you guys will see how much it costs. You could smell the jojoba oil and citrus acid. It smells really, really good. It smells clean, fresh. I freaking love it. It's such a nice moisturizer that I know my skin is gonna love because it feels watery. It's not heavy, it's lightweight, and it smells really good. This little guy on its own values at $134. Like, everybody got it this month in the Try Beauty. If you haven't gotten your hands on the Try Beauty, make sure you do, because this is something you should not pass on. The next item is by Sola Look. I did not know about that brand. Sola Look tends to make collections from shows, and this one right here is the Brenda Dylan Kelly Lip Cream. This is in the shade Brenda Loves Dylan. I'm pretty sure you guys know, but I didn't know because I never saw Beverly Hills 90210. This is inspired. This is a collection that they made for that. They actually have 3 shades, but we were only getting Brenda Loves Dylan, which is this beautiful red matte lipstick. I'm actually wearing it. It's super comfortable. It's a really beautiful packaging. And then you look at the lip wand. It almost reminds me of the Maybelline Stay Matte. Was it? The Maybelline Super Stay liquid lipsticks. They have the same wand. It does say here it's lightweight, vegan liquid matte lipstick, smudge proof, non-tacky, and long wear. This shade is a deep true red with full coverage. Yes, it is lightweight. Smudge proof, I don't know. Non-tacky, yes. And long wear, yes, I guess if you're not gonna eat something oily. Like with every matte lipstick, I was eating something oily and it basically came completely off. And it is definitely full coverage. One swipe on my lips and it was completely red. Such a beautiful red. It's very comfortable on the lips. This little guy retails for $14. The last item in the box is by Iman Cosmetics. I think I've heard about this brand, I'm not so sure. This is the Perfect Eye Pencil in the shade Nut Bush. It's a really beautiful brown. It says here to line and define your eyes with this brown liner and achieve a softer look, different from the typical black eyeliner. Creamy enough for smooth, easy application without streaking and smearing. I did use this in my waterline, and I actually took the pencil outside my waterline and brought it on my lower lash so I could actually smudge it since I didn't have a brown in that palette. I love it. It does go on very smoothly. The pigmentation on it, you could tell. In one swipe, it was on my waterline. The little lid actually has a sharpener to sharpen it up, and you can also remove the tip to remove any shavings. This little guy retails for $10, and that is everything that we got in this month's box. We got 5 items, and I'm really happy that we got all these items. As always, Billy always makes sure to incorporate something for your eyes, skincare, face, lips, you know, everything. All right, so now let's just jump into the makeup tutorial. finished look. I hope you guys liked it. My favorite item this month has got to be the Avant Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. I freaking love this. It's very lightweight. It felt really nice on my skin. It hydrated it, especially now when it's really cold outside and your face needs to stay hydrated. Overall, I really love this entire box. And also, not to mention, this little guy is $134 on its own, but you can get this whole box for $34.99. Just a reminder. Talking about prices, the total value for this month's box is $208. That's a lot. If you received the Saffron palette, it would have been more because this retails for more. It would have actually been $214, but you would have only paid $34.99, which is a really amazing deal. If you have not subscribed to Tribe Beauty and you want to, make sure you do by using my code YesMe, and you'll save up 10% off your first box. I will also leave down that link in the description box below, and you'll be able to get your hands on this box. Alright guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to thumbs this video up. Leave in the comments down below your favorite item this month. Alright guys, so I don't know when this video will be out, but if it's out before Christmas Day, happy holidays to all of you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys to my next video. Bye!